Welcome to your YouTube channel, Learn to Teach a Machine. Please subscribe and click the bell button. What is machine learning? Computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. In other words, a computer program is set to learn from the experience with respect to some task and some performance measures. If its performance on task, as measured, then improves with the experience. Your email spam filter is a machine learning program that, given examples of spam emails, for example, flagged by you, and examples of regular, non-spam, also called ham, emails, can learn to flag spam. The examples data that the system uses to learn are called the training set. In this case, the task is to flag spam for new emails. The experience is the training data. System gained the experience from the training data. And the performance measure needs to be defined. For example, you can use the ratio of correctly classified emails. This particular performance measure is called spam prediction accuracy. Why use machine learning? Consider how you would write a spam filter using a traditional programming language. 1. Study the problem, email spam detector. You might notice that some words or phrases, such as for you, credit card, free, and amazing tend to come up a lot in the subject line. And also notice a few other patterns in the sender's name, the email's body, and other parts of the email. 2. Write rules, write a detection algorithm for each of the patterns that you noticed. And your written program would flag emails as spam if a number of these patterns were detected. 3. Evaluate rules. And 4. Analyze errors, test your program and repeat steps 1 and 2 until it was good enough to launch. What if spammers notice that all their emails containing for you are blocked, and they might start writing for you instead? A spam filter using traditional programming techniques would need to be updated to flag for you emails. If spammers keep working around your spam filter, you will need to keep writing new rules forever. Since the problem is difficult, your program will likely become a long list of complex rules, pretty hard to maintain. In contrast, a spam filter based on machine learning techniques automatically learns which words and phrases are good predictors of spam by detecting unusually frequent patterns of words in spam examples. What if spammers notice that all their emails containing for you are blocked, and they might start writing for you instead? A spam filter based on machine learning techniques automatically notices that for you has become unusually frequent in spam flagged by users, and it starts flagging them without your intervention. The program is much shorter, easier to maintain, and most likely more accurate. Machine learning algorithms are used by all the top IT companies: Yahoo, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, LinkedIn, Amazon, Tesla, SpaceX. I hope you might get some idea about machine learning. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.